Machiwara. Machiwara.
Oh, hello! It's Shata. Hello, babies. How are you? It's been a while since we've seen you back in the party. You know, the quinceañera? That time we had so much fun. But I could tell you, we raised so much money, but the Risi says we don't have enough. So he says, I have to do something for him, and I have to train with him as well. And I could tell you, this is so hard. So hard. Oh, I got it. I got a deal. I'll make a deal with you. I will continue to ride, and we'll beat Rixie down to Los Angeles. But you got to do your end too. You got to contribute to this charity ride, and I will keep riding. And on Thursday, I'm going to wear this red dress. So for now, I see you in Los Angeles, and say hello to Raul for me too, okay? Bye-bye.